Chesterfield's got a great industrial heritage. Go right back to the first industrial revolution. Things that have been made here, ridiculous things like the cucumber straightener, for instance. But nowadays, it's about the next industrial revolution in many ways. Behind me, you've got Hartington Commerce Park. That's going to be a home for advanced manufacturing, clean industries, and is part of the East Midlands Investment Zone and one of the specified sites within that zone. The next generation makers are going to come from the great schools that we've got here in Chesterfield, great college, and also one of campus for the University of Derby. So DRIVE, the Derbyshire Rail Industry Innovation Vehicle, is a great new building and innovation centre that's going to specifically focus on the rail industry and the rail sector. It'll provide education from level 3s up to level 7 and give a real sort of home for that next generation of where we're going to move the rail industry to. And Chesterfield can be right at the heart of that.